I'm gonna show you some weird commands in Windows 11, and you will have to decide to keep them or trash them. So let's start right now. Let's start by opening CMD so we could start typing our incredible commands. The first command I want to show you is @ once a strong task scheduler in command, now just lying there doing nothing, replaced by its better, the task scheduler. The next command I want to show you is called cloud notifications. Running this command will basically alert you of low disk space, no matter the amount of available space you have on your disk. But nice design. Next is the dialer. Let's say you live in a world where no one has cell phones and everyone is only using home telephones. So you buy yourself a modem and connect it to your computer. You can then call directly from your computer using the dialer, and you don't even need to use the telephone. Imagine that. Next is the fax cover page editor. Now this is very important. Let's assume for a moment that you are looking for a new job and you want to submit your resume, but you do not have an email address. So you open your fax cover page editor, you create a really nice cover and fax it to your next employer. I'm sure they will be very impressed. Oh, and don't forget to buy and install a modem first. Almost forgot to mention. This next one is very interesting. It's called System Properties Advanced. Now, if you run it and then click the Settings button under the Setup and Recovery section, you'll get an option to choose a default operating system. But wait, where is Windows 11? Of course, I know this is only a dev version of Windows 11, but I hope they don't forget to change it. Next is the dev mode run as user config. A very interesting name for an MSC file with a long list of policy settings, none of which apparently affect Windows 11's Start menu. Or maybe these are just future features. Let's have a real-life example. You are a Windows 11 user and you have an open CMD window. Your task, should you choose to accept it, would be to open a file explorer. Instead of using the Explorer command, just use the user init command instead. There's a very original way to know the version and build of your Windows. Here's what you need to do. Do not use the winver command. Instead, use the write command to open WordPad. Then, just click File and choose About WordPad. The last command in this video is a very serious command. It is actually very useful for debugging code execution. But there's something interesting about the enormous strength of this command. In fact, it is so powerful that it will actually have you travel in time to the occurrence of the error you are trying to debug. You actually stayed all the way to the end of this video. Respect. Just wanted you to know that everyone who traveled in time got back to their original timeline. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.